For the first time since 18-year-old Anna Keaptainner was found dead aboard a Carnival cruise ship, new court documents suggest her death may involve foul play. Law and Crime obtained a filing from Anna's stepmother, Chantel Hudson. It reveals the FBI is investigating the case, and shockingly, one of Hudson's minor children, Anna's step-siblings, may be implicated. Anna was a high school senior and varsity cheerleader. She went on a 6-day family cruise aboard the Carnival Horizon. The trip started in Miami and visited multiple Caribbean destinations. 2 days before the ship returned, Anna told her family she wasn't feeling well and went to her cabin. On November 7, a maid reportedly discovered her body. It was wrapped in a blanket, covered with life jackets, and hidden under a bed. Her body was taken to the Miami-Dade County Medical Examiner's office for an autopsy. The FBI confirmed it is investigating, but they have not said whether this is a criminal case. Cruise ship deaths due to violent crime are rare, fewer than 15 since 2000. Yet, these court documents suggest this may not have been an accident. Hudson filed an emergency motion to postpone a custody hearing scheduled for December 17. She cited extremely sensitive and severe circumstances. She explained she could not testify without risking self-incrimination due to the ongoing FBI investigation. The filing notes that all parties, including her minor children, were aboard the ship. It also states that a criminal case may be initiated against one of her children. Details on the child's age or which child is involved were not provided. This motion shows how civil and criminal law can intersect. The custody case involves parenting time and support. But Hudson's main concern is the potential criminal implications for her children. Judges often grant continuances when civil cases overlap with criminal investigations, especially when minors are involved. The custody implications are significant. Courts prioritize child safety and sound judgment. If a child under Hudson's care is implicated, custody arrangements could be restricted to protect the other children. Even if Hudson is not under investigation, her ability to supervise may be questioned. Public and media attention has been intense. Reports from the Daily Mail describe Anna's final days and the discovery of her body. Passengers aboard the Horizon reportedly heard a medical emergency alert when her body was found. Some were asked to leave their cabins early. The FBI is likely reviewing all 4,000 passengers and more than 1,000 crew members. Security footage, interviews, and witness statements will be critical. Anna's father confirmed that all family members were questioned but did not know who was being investigated. Hudson has made her social media private since the court documents became public. The final autopsy and toxicology results have not been released. The official cause of death remains unknown. The case is unique because of the cruise ship setting. While isolated, the ship has a finite number of potential witnesses. Minor children complicate the situation, requiring careful coordination between law enforcement and the courts. Experts note that custody and parenting decisions now hinge on judgment and risk assessment. If Hudson allowed her child to interact with Anna despite potential danger, her decision-making may be questioned. Protective measures, such as temporarily relocating other children, may be necessary. This case highlights how civil and criminal matters can overlap in high-profile situations. As the FBI investigates, the family, crew, and courts navigate an extraordinarily sensitive scenario. Friends and family continue to honor Anna's life. Her senior parking spot remains reserved at school, a lasting memorial to a young woman with a bright future. The nation awaits updates from law enforcement and the medical examiner. Every new detail could shed light on this tragedy. The investigation continues, and the custody case is on hold until more information is available. The death of Anna Keaptainner aboard the Carnival Horizon remains under intense scrutiny, with serious questions about the role of her step-sibling and the steps needed to protect other children.